Assalamualaikum students. How are you? I think you are all well with this Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics and of Ideal International School, Nursery. Dear students, I am going to take a map test today for the students of Nursery. Our today's topic is write in numbers. Okay, it's a revision class because we have already learned the write in numbers. Okay, your lecture number is 31. It's a revision work, that's why you have no homework today. Okay. Dear students, write in numbers is very important for you because you are the new student, and my dear students, if you don't learn the write in number, you can't write down anything, you can't learn anything without the knowing of writing numbers. Dear students, you have already learned from 1 to 50 how to write down the numbers. Okay, and today I will discuss only about how to write down the answer in writing numbers. Okay, so our today's topic is writing numbers. Okay, but in the question paper you will arise like these questions. Okay, this one or this one. Suppose this is your question. The question is what? The question is write in number from 11 to 20. That means you need to write down the numbers from 11 to 20 in these boxes. And how to write down in the boxes? The box will be given, the question will be given. You need only to fill up these boxes. Okay, and dear students, you need to write down from left to right. You need to write down from left to right to fill up these boxes. That means you should write down at first in this box 11. Okay, because we need to start from the number 11. After that, from where we should write down the next number. After 11, the next number is 12. We can't write down 12 here because I am telling you that, I am advising you that you should write down from left to right. That means after 11, you should go to the right box, that is this box, and we should write down here the next number of 11. The next number of 11 is 12. So we should write down here 12. Okay, not go to the bottom at first. You should write down from left to right. Okay, after 12 the number comes which is 13. So 13 will be in the right side of this box. It's 13. Okay, it's 1 and 3 make the number 13. After 13 you should write down the next number of 13 is 14. 14 should be written down in the next box, that is in the right side of this box. Okay, it's 14. After 14 you should write down 15 in this box in the right side. It's 15 because 15 comes after 14. Now after 15, dear students, we should write down in the right side, right? But in the right side we have no box. We have no box here. So we should go to the next line. We should go to the next line. That means we should go to the bottom now. It's here. We should start again from the left side. After 15, we have the number 16. That means we should write down 16 here. Okay. It is 16 you should fill up. 1 and 6 makes the number 16. After 16, you know that the number comes which is 17. And 17 will be written down in this box. 1 and 7 makes the number 17. Okay. Then our next number of 17 is 18. 18 makes how much? It's 1 and 8 makes the number 18. Okay. After 18, the number comes which is 19. 19 makes how many? How each you should write down 1 and 9 to write down the number 19 in this box. Okay. After the 18, you should write down 19 here. And after 19, we should write down 20 because 20 is our last number. Okay. And this is our last box. So we should fill up this box with the number 20. Now, the next question is again the similar question. Write in number from 31 to 40. That means we should start from 31 and we should finish up to 40. Okay. So first number is 31. That means in the first box we should write down 31. 3 and 1 makes the number 31. After 31 we should write down 32. We should write down 32 in the right side of this box. See in the right side, not in the bottom. Here we shouldn't go in the bottom. We should go to the left to right. Okay. 31, then 32. 32 should write down here. 3 and 2 makes the number 32. Okay. After 32, the number comes which is 33. You know that. 3 and 3 makes the number 33. The students, after 33, we have the number 34. We should write down the right side box. It's 3 and 4 makes the number 34. After 34, we should write down 35 because 35 comes after 34. 3 and 5 makes the number 35. Okay. After 35, we should write down the next number 36. This is 36. We can't write down in the right side because in the right side we have no box. So you should go to the next line. In the next line, first box you should write down 36. It's 3 and 6 makes the number 36. Okay, dear students, in writing the number 6, you did mistake in the lot of time. The 6 is not like of this, okay, and 6 is like this. This is the number 6, okay. This is the correct way to write down 6. It's a wrong process. Look, it's the mirror of this number 6, okay. This is the number 6. It's not. It is the wrong process. Now, after 36, the number comes which is 37. In the right box, like previous, you should write down the next numbers, okay. It's 3 and 7 makes the number 37. After that, 38, 3 and 8 makes the number 38. After 38, the number comes is 39. 3 and 9 makes the number 39. And after 39, the number comes which is 40. The last number is 40, and we have the last box here. It's 4 and 0 makes the number 40. I hope that students you have understood how to write down in numbers in the answer paper, okay. The question will be given, the box will be given. You need only to fill up the boxes with the numbers, okay. The students keep practicing more and more at home. Inshallah, in the next class, I will discuss how to write down your answer paper, all the questions, okay. See you again, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.